Go.
Hi, this is Jennifer at Real Food Freaks again, and I'm about to show you how to use the grated coconut now to make coconut milk and coconut oil and toasted coconut. So as you can see, this is what our coconut looks like after it's been shredded, and there probably is a little bit of the brown in there, but not very much because we tried not to get all the way to the shell there. So for the most part, there's some fine pieces, but for the most part it's mostly coconut in there. So we have our grated coconut, and it doesn't look like you see in the bags nicely shredded. It is very, very fine. What I've also done is taken some coconut water, which is actually the water in a young coconut. It's not a mature coconut, so it doesn't have the coconut meat, but it does have a lot of coconut water in it. And I actually use Vita Coco because this is 100% pure coconut water. It doesn't have any additives, no sugar, no added vitamins. Sometimes they want to put added vitamins in, and it actually is not real vitamins. They're denatured and not genuine. Actually does not help you at all. So I actually be very careful about the brand that you use. You could actually use water too, but I like to use as much coconut flavor as I can, so I do use the coconut water instead of the coconut, or just plain water. I still have the original coconut water from the coconut in here, but it's not quite enough, so I'm going to mix that. I also added the coconut water to a pan just to let it heat, so what's going to happen is actually going to start to work the coconut a little bit. So I'm going to dump the coconut water in here, what was left from the coconut. And this probably needs another minute or two. But while we're doing that, I'm actually going to grab something to work the coconut here. And you don't necessarily need to boil it, you just want to make it like kind of warm, and it seems to be bubbling now, so it's hot enough, and I'm just going to dump that. That's about 11 ounces, maybe 13 or 14 ounces with the coconut water itself from inside the coconut. So maybe about 2 cups of liquid that you want to add to this. And as you can see, it's hot, and I'm not going to stand here while it steeps. We're actually going to come back in a minute because I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. That's about all you need to do, is just kind of brush it around a little bit, let it seep in. You wait about 30 minutes. When it's cooled off, then we're going to go ahead and squeeze out the water to make the coconut milk. So we'll be back in just a minute.